Picture this, you're a fitness instructor at the top of your game. Your classes are packed, your clients are seeing results, and you're making a difference. But there's one catch. You're stuck in a time for money trap. Your growth is capped by the ticking clock and the four walls of your gym. Now, imagine breaking free from those constraints. Your expertise reaches thousands, not just dozens. Your bank account is growing while you sleep, and your impact is spreading across the world. In a physical gym or studio, you're limited by space and time constraints. You can only help the people who can physically attend your classes or sessions. But online, your reach becomes global. A fitness enthusiast in Tokyo could be following your HIIT workout at the same time as a busy mom in New York City is streaming your yoga session. Ritual by Pure, founded by Pure Yoga in Ottawa, is one of many businesses that took their expertise online and multiplied their impact. They offer a combination of yoga, plyometrics, cardio, and meditation through their online platform for just 50 Canadian dollars per month. Even though they charge a lower rate than they do for in-person classes, Ritual by Pure has been able to grow their business and coach more people without hiring additional staff or trainers, and without having to expand their physical training facility. Creating and selling your own online fitness programs doesn't need to be intimidating. There are 5 key steps, and we're going to break down each one so it's super simple. First things first, you need to decide on your business model. There are 2 main types to consider: transactional, where people pay a one-off fee for your content, and subscription, where people pay a recurring fee for access to your content. Each has its pros and cons. Transactional models can bring in higher revenue up front, but you'll need to continually find new customers. And subscription models provide recurring revenue and can lead to longer customer relationships, but you'll need to regularly create new content to keep subscribers engaged. Luckily, you don't have to pick just one. Here at Uscreen, we've seen trainers across fitness types have a lot of success combining these formats. They'll use a subscription as the core business model that builds community and generates recurring revenue, and they'll sell content from that membership in single transactions to the small minority of customers who just want a specific bundle of videos. Another key benefit of the subscription model for fitness is that it fosters long-term commitment and consistent engagement from your clients. This model encourages members to stick with their fitness journey over time and gives you the opportunity to form deeper relationships through community, live stream, chats, and more. Once you've chosen your business model, it's time to plan your content. It helps to start with a macro level overview of your online programs as a whole, then dig into individual pieces of content later. For macro level, ask yourself why clients are coming to your site, what they expect to see, and how you're gonna teach it. On the surface level, you might say your clients are coming to you to get stronger, but there's probably something deeper than that makes them choose you over other trainers. Is it your sense of humor? Is it your energy? Is it how you focus on modifications for all ability types? Is it your sport-specific training? Knowing what makes you stand out will guide your overall direction. What your clients want to see is also a critical piece of the puzzle, and we recommend asking your existing clients and social media audience what they want to see from you. Research can save you so much time and effort because you might think your audience wants hour-long yoga flows, but maybe they just need 15-minute videos to fit into a busy day, or they want deeper dives into specific poses instead. Getting audience data is always better than guessing, and how you deliver your content is a macro choice that will have a big effect on your business down the line. Do you want to live stream every lesson with live chat to make them a can't miss event? Or do you want to batch record and edit them to free up your time and add extra graphics to the video? Once you've planned your content, it's time to build your platform. While a website is a must-have, adding mobile and TV apps can add an extra layer of accessibility and professional polish to your business. But no matter what devices you want to be on, it needs to look professional, be easy to navigate, and effectively showcase your content. While there are many general website builders out there, for an online fitness studio, you'll want a platform specialized in video monetization. Now, we might be biased, but our favorite way to deliver content is with an intuitive catalog format that has customizable filters, categories, and search, so your customers can browse or quickly find what they need. And if you're going to live stream classes, an interactive calendar is key for keeping your members in the loop and getting pre-registrations for those live events. But your website isn't just for your clients. It needs to work for you too. Look for platforms that offer comprehensive back-end management tools. This should include features like easy content upload and organization, the ability to sell multiple ways like subscriptions, rentals, or bundles, and analytics to track engagement and sales. Community features are another big plus. Fitness is often a journey people want to share. So look for platforms that allow you to build a community around your brand. This might include features like discussion channels and the ability for members to post their own photos and short videos. Lastly, don't forget about marketing tools. The best platforms will help you grow your business with built-in email marketing, SEO tools, and even social media integration. One platform that ticks all these boxes is Uscreen. It's designed specifically for video-based businesses like online fitness studios. With Uscreen, you get all the features we just talked about, plus the ability to launch your own branded apps for mobile and TV devices. But that's enough about us. Once you build your website, it's time for the next big step towards launching your online fitness business, which is setting your prices. While you know what your time is worth on the gym floor, it can be hard to figure out how that translates to a virtual experience. So we did some research into online fitness studios hosted on Uscreen to give you a data-based starting point. Our study found that the average online fitness studio charges a monthly subscription fee between $12 and $15, and the average one-time transaction is between $75 and $100. But these are just averages. If your content is highly specialized or a luxury service, then it makes sense to price higher. And value-based pricing is all about charging what your customers see as a fair price in exchange for the value you provide. As an example, I paid $200 a month to work individually with an online trainer, and because I was investing into myself, I felt more tied to getting results and therefore saw it through and got in the best shape of my life over the course of 8 months of working with him. Last, but certainly not least, you need to plan how you'll connect with your audience because marketing is critical for your online fitness studio success. Your existing audience is your most valuable asset here. If you have an email list, a YouTube channel, or are active on other social media platforms, those followers are most likely to be early adopters of your new online programs. With email, we recommend developing a series of emails leading up to the launch, starting with a teaser, followed by your official announcement, and then several follow-ups highlighting key features and benefits. For social media, use every platform you're on to create buzz. Start with teaser posts, followed by the launch announcement and regular follow-up posts. Share the value that people are going to get from you. Help them see where you're going to take them in order to get them interested. Use interactive formats like live videos, stories, and polls to keep the conversation going. Opening up a Q&A on social media is a great way to answer questions and address objections that are keeping people from joining. The Bloom method uses their Instagram highlights really well to promote their memberships with before and afters, information about the app, and FAQ highlights right there at the top of their profile. Now, this might sound a little bit overwhelming, but you don't have to do it all at once, and you don't have to do it alone. We've broken the process down into an achievable week-by-week plan that's a proven roadmap of what to do and how to pace yourself based on thousands of launches. Get the roadmap for yourself at the link on screen or in the description, and you'll be one step closer to a thriving online fitness business. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.